Italian Car Fest is the largest Italian car show in the Southwest.
All right!
It's been going on for more than 20 years, and hey, I've been to most of them. It's definitely one of my favorite events of the year. It's hosted at the historic Nash Farm in Grapevine, Texas, and they even have some real farm stuff. The Austin crew headed out early in the morning, and it was a bit wet getting up there. But once we were there, the weather cleared up and it was fantastic. So many people came out to spectate. There's always lots of Fiats and Ferraris at the show, but for the past couple of years, Alfa Romeo has had the biggest turnout. What was interesting this year was how many Panteras there were, though. I haven't seen this many Panteras in one place since I went to a Pantera-specific meet several years ago. Pretty wild. There's always some very unique cars that show up, too.
Look at that!
A few of the Austin crew took home some trophies, including yours truly. The 81 Spider won second in class. Oh, and I was giving away free swag too. If you want some cool Book Auto Works gear, you gotta track me down at one of these car shows. Hope I see you guys out there. Well, enough of the introductions. Slip a crisp beverage into your Book Auto Works koozie and enjoy this walk through the show. later, man.
What'd you win the award for?
Fiat Classics.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Congrats.
See you, Oliver.
Bye, Dano.
Bye. Bye. See you, man.
See you next time.
See ya. Bye. See you later. Go for it. Hey, man. I did. I got second place in the Fiat Classics. So, see you, man. See you, Jim. Well, that wraps it up. See you guys next time.